Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Looking at a 1989 Homelite 330. It's one that I fixed up, went through. Didn't need a whole lot, to be honest. The carb intake boot, a duckbill valve in the fuel tank, and then a whole bunch of cleaning. The saw has not been used all that terribly much. That's obvious from the condition of it. Original 20-inch Homelite bar in very good shape. The chain is a Carlton that's got an A1 on it, so that's probably vintage, to be honest. And I think when I put it on the grinder, it was the first time that it's been sharpened. So let's take a listen to it run real quick. She's tuned to 50-to-1 Steel Ultra fuel mix right now. That's clear, meaning non-ethanol. That's of course my recommendation. I know not every state has it available, but if you do, that's my recommendation. It'll keep this thing running good. Like I say, pretty low hours. This could go in someone's collection, or it could be one hell of a firewood saw. Either way, it is up for sale.